Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make bread in Blender Easy method. Add warm water, yeast, and sugar to the blender and let bloom for 5 minutes. Then add salt, oil, and flour. Pulse in short bursts until a shaggy dough forms, then scrape into a bowl, cover, and let rise until doubled. This method saves time and keeps hands clean while producing a soft loaf every time. Measure ingredients precisely for consistent results. Use 2 cups flour, 1 cup warm water, 1 tsp salt, 2 tablespoon oil, and 2 tsp yeast. Add ingredients to the blender in order, pulse until a shaggy mass forms, and transfer to a floured surface. Knead briefly by hand if needed, then shape, place in a greased pan, and let rise until doubled for a light crumb. Bake at 375 degrees F for 25 to 30 minutes until golden. In this mid-video, I encourage you to subscribe and like if you are finding this helpful. Quick recommendation. Droplets stay hydrated anywhere with the Oala water bottle seen here, perfect for dough mixing sessions and kitchen counters. It keeps water cold during long rises and fits most cup holders. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. After the first rise, gently deflate the dough and divide into portions. Shape as a loaf or rolls, then place in the pan and allow a second rise. Preheat oven to 375 degrees F, brush with egg wash or milk for a golden crust, and bake for 25 to 30 minutes until internal temperature reaches 190 degrees F. Cool on a rack before slicing to preserve crumb and flavor. This method gives a tender interior and crisp exterior that pleases many home bakers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.